Hey yo, what's up, y'all? Well, I'm taking my walk. Gonna go to the grocery store and get me some milk. My wife needs a prescription. I like the goggles. Keeps my eyes from getting cold and watery. I tried the face mask, but I like the fresh air, so. Yep. Anyway, I'll give you a view. This is what we're looking at. Yep. Our second round of snow for this week has started. Ended early this morning. Got that snow moved. And this is what we got now. And we're looking at around 8 inches here in southern Michigan. See what happens. We're not worried about loss of power or anything for my household, but a lot of people going without power. I know there's millions of them already, and like Texas, we might be very happy not to have their energy bills very soon, and hopefully that don't come here either, because it looks like this giant storm is taking a toll. Yep. But I figured I'd just walk with you for a minute. Hold on, I gotta cross the road. It's slippery and a car's coming. This is our mechanic's garage parking lot here. Walk through here. Yep, you see these. Give you a look around. I don't know, maybe somebody out there ain't even seen snow except on TV, but that's what it looks like. And it's cold, but I'm bundled. Got a coat, got coveralls, boots, gloves, all that. So I'm gonna go get a couple gallons of milk, probably rather than one. Check this shit out. A little slippery. Hold on a sec. Alright, I'm gonna quit talking for a minute, because it is tiring to walk in this. But I'll let you walk with me for a minute. Check out the scenery. Tell you my impressions of the road. I hope you ain't gotta go out in them. And if you gotta go, you better give yourself twice as much time if you wanna make it in time safe. Because you're going half speed if you ain't getting stuck in the middle of the road. Because I tell you what, it's windy. The road looks slippery. And there's a lot of snow already. Gonna be shit closing. I doubt there'll be school tomorrow, if school's not canceled the next day. Yep. Winter 2021. They got purple salt here. Alright, well, that's what we got, y'all. I'm gonna cross the road and go to the grocery store, and my battery is about dead, so be safe out there, really. Don't go anywhere if you can help it. God bless you. Bye.